The Sumerians, before the Babylonians have conquered their land, lived in Mesopotamia, a fertile plain between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, which they called the land between the rivers, and is the tertiary of modern-day Iraq. The region had been the center of the Sumerian civilization, which flourished before 3500 BC. This was the home of what is called the Babylonian civilization, which covers a variety of cultures and empires. The many cultural achievements of the Babylonians include monumental architecture such as the colossal city walls of Babylon itself and the legendary Hanging Gardens. This was an advanced civilization, building cities and supporting people with irrigation systems. Babylonian culture also has their own legal system and administration who leads the whole civilization for a more organized and peaceful way of life. They even also have their own postal service for delivering important messages and information. It also serves as one of the ways of communicating with each other. Small clay artifacts from ancient Sumeria are among the oldest evidence for the evolution of the abstract concept of number. The Sumerians had developed an abstract form of writing based on cuneiform symbols. Their symbols were written on wet clay tablets which were baked in the hot sun. It was the use of a stylus on a clay medium that led to the use of cuneiform symbols since curved lines could not be drawn. The Babylonians were able to represent very large numbers using just two symbols, 1 and 10. Around 1900 BC, while the Sumerians are living up their own culture, continuing their everyday routines, and using their numeration systems for events that could be helpful with their lives, the Babylonians came to their land, Mesopotamia. These Semitic people invaded Mesopotamia, defeating Sumerians and establishing their capital at Babylon. The symbols written by the Sumerians in their own language was adopted by the Babylonians after they invaded Mesopotamia and used the symbols to form and develop their own numeration system. These symbols were their instrument in forming their very own system, which they call as the sexagesimal number system.